finding a location for the speakers, and what I did is I made a template. This is the hole size, this is the outside of the speaker. So finding a spot that has enough room on the inside. The speaker depth is 2 3/4 inch, and the side of the hole may not give that dimension. So in this box there's room, and on the console there's room in the back, so I can have one speaker facing to the rear, one speaker facing forward. Since I don't have the gaskets, I'm going to use a white silicone. Perfect fit.